Welcome to the Week 5 spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet is really concerned with finding two efficient portfolios and then from those finding the entire efficient frontier. First thing you must do, of course, is put your name in cell B1 and your email address in cell B2. Once you do that, we can start with the first problem, which is to find the two efficient frontiers. Take the returns and subtract those returns from the same constant, which happens to be 0. We do that for each and every return for each of the 4 stocks in our portfolio, W, X, Y, and Z. Do the same here for the next column here in yellow, but now our constant is not 0 but 0.065, you can see it in the green, and do it for the 4 returns. So that's step 1. Once you've done that, go to step 2. And in step 2, I get you to apply the mathematics that I showed you in the lecture here. Take the inverse of the variance-covariance matrix and multiply it by the returns minus the constant, either 0 or 0.06. And then, once you've done that, find the normalize the weights and find the weights. And that's what we're going to do in step 2 now. So how do we implement this in Excel? Quite simple, really. What we do is we use the matrix multiplication. So I hit F2, you can see that we multiply the inverse of the variance-covariance matrix, which is in the blue line, by the column matrix of the mean minus our constant for the first column at 0. For the second, we do the same, the inverse of the variance-covariance matrix, and we multiply by the second column, mean minus the constant. Now the constant is 0.065. And of course this is a matrix multiply, and it's a control array, and it provides all of these. So when we implement this, we highlight everything, hit equals, matrix multiply first, then matrix inverse second, then we highlight our variance-covariance matrix, hit that, and multiply by our constant, close the bracket, and then hit Control-Shift-Enter, and we get our values. But these values don't add up to 1, and we need them to add up to 1, so to do that, we normalize. That is, we divide each of the cells Z36 and so on, by the sum of each of these numbers. And we know that if we do that, this will sum to 1. Okay, that's it for the first 2 steps in problem 1.